Hello friends. So today we will learn how to collect the response of the student through Google Form if they are giving an online test in which they need to upload the PDF of their solutions. So for this you can collect it either through your WhatsApp or through other means, but here I am going to discuss how to collect the response through the Google Form. So here I have taken a Google form, blank form, and in this form you can just title it. Suppose you are going to take online test, you can give it, and description is subject, you can give subject. Suppose you are going to take it from maths or mathematics. Then in this caution you just give name of the student or full name. You can give it full name or full name. Then there is no need to have any option, so this caution should be of some short answer type because it is the name of the child and it is required field so that child can write the name. Now go for the next. You can ask for the roll number, and this is numerical, so you can give it simple short answer. तो आप यहाँ पर इसको short answer type roll number and make it compulsory. अब इसके बाद में आपको एक फाइल अपलोड का ऑप्शन है क्वेश्चन टाइप में, वो आप जरूर इस पर जाएंगे. सो क्वेश्चन होगा फाइल अपलोड ऑप्शन. सो फाइल अपलोड ऑप्शन, कंटिन्यू. सो फाइल अपलोड ऑप्शन and you can give it upload your answer PDF, and you can limit it how many files, maximum number of files, one, because they need to give only one specific file type. So in this you can give it document or PDF, so best you should go for this PDF, or you can go with the document. So we can go with PDF, and after that number of files, one, because student need to upload only one PDF of their exam. And now for the size, 10 MB size is enough, but the student may create the file more than 10 MB, so it is better to give 100 MB, or if you want to give them a specific limit you can give it, but 100 MB is fine. In this they can upload their file up to 100 MB. They will not have the file up to 100 MB. Their PDF may be more than maybe within the 50 MB limit. After that you just come to this part, make it compulsory, and your work is done. Fine. Now just your work is done. Let us see the preview, how we have done this. Let us see the preview of this. So this is the preview. In this the file will go this particular email drive of this particular Gmail, and now the student can write the name. Suppose Ravi is the name of the child, roll number is, so whatever the number of the child, 12231, and then it comes to the add file. So the pop-up will be there and the file can be selected from the drive. Suppose I have taken any file, suppose I have taken this file. Now the file is of 520 MB. It is going to upload. Student need to upload the file. Now you can see the file is getting uploaded, and now let us see how it looks after upload and how do we get it back, or we can just put the submit sign. Your submission is done. Then teacher can see the response. So the response is here. If you want you can see the responses are here. Two files are there in this, Rajesh and Ravi, and I can download the files in the folder only. These two files are there. In the file student can write his or her name also, so easily can be identified. The file will be in the same place, it will not scatter here and there, and from there you can see them in folder. See, the file can be seen in the folder easily. Now I can see this in my drive easily, the file uploaded by the student, so it won't create any big issue, and I can just correct these files from here. Hope this is clear to you all. Thank you for watching the video.